hosted by First Officer Mark Angelo Velasco and Sir Flight Purser Joey Robles. Our flying time is approximately 3 hours and 15 minutes, and soon we shall be cruising at an assigned altitude of 33,000 feet. This flight is code-shared with all Nippon Airways. We're showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus A321-200. In accordance with Philippine Civil Aviation Regulations, we'll be switching off the cabin lights. Thank you.
Mabuhay, and welcome to Philippine Airlines.
We care about your safety, so please sit back and relax as we explain the safety features of this aircraft.
Before settling down, be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in the overhead compartment and small heavy items under the seat in front of you. Anton!
Luisa? Papa, si Diego.
Luisa, pakasalan mo ako.
Let us also ensure that all aisles and exit rows are clear of any items.
Diego.
Vape na lang ako.
Smoking and vaping in the aircraft are strictly prohibited. This includes the use and charging of e-cigarettes. Also, tampering with lavatory smoke detectors is a serious offense. Please set your mobile and tablet devices to airplane mode, and please switch off all your transmitting portable electronic devices. Charging of devices during taxi, takeoff, and landing is strictly prohibited. If your gadget slips between the seats, do not adjust the seat. Please call a cabin crew member for assistance.
Iha! Pakilagay nga itong power bank sa kompartamento.
Power banks and spare batteries are prohibited inside the overhead stowage bins. Please keep them with you, or you may put them in the seat pockets or under the seat in front of you.
Kung ganoon, i-charge ko na lamang.
Charging of power banks is strictly prohibited. Fasten your seatbelt throughout the flight, especially during takeoff and landing. To fasten, insert the metal end into the buckle until you hear a click. To tighten, pull the loose end off the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift the top of the buckle and pull free end.
Para ito sa ikabubuti mo, Luisa.
Also, fasten your seatbelt over your blanket so our crew can easily see that you're safely strapped in. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, especially when the seatbelt sign is on.
Diego, tinatanggap mo ba si Luisa bilang iyong asawa?
Opo, padre.
Ikaw, Luisa.
Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop in front of you. Pull mask firmly towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place it over your nose and mouth, hold the elastic band for a snug fit, and breathe normally. The oxygen will flow even if the bag is not inflated. Remember to put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep the mask on until you are advised to remove it. Emergency exits are clearly marked along each side of the cabin. Locate the nearest exit, which may be behind you. Path markings will guide you to the emergency exits. In the event of an emergency landing, remove all sharp objects from your body. Leave everything behind during evacuation. Wait for instructions to go into brace position. dissolve. To use your life vest, place it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and push the end to buckle. Inflate by pulling down the inflation cord at the bottom or by blowing through the mouth tube. To release air, push pin inwards. Inflate the life vest only outside the aircraft.
Diego, nakikiusap ako sa'yo. Nagmamahalan ka kay Anton.
Your life vest light will automatically switch on once submerged in water. Before takeoff and landing, have your seatbelt securely fastened. Your leg rest, footrest, tray table, and in-seat monitor stowed. Window shade raised, small electronic devices like tablets in your seat pocket, and your seat in an upright position.
Anong iyong binabasa, Luisa?
You can learn more about our in-flight safety procedures by reading the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. Be extra careful when handling hot beverages. Because nothing says true love like care that comes from the heart.
Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. The heart of the Filipino.
In preparation for takeoff, ensure seatbelts are securely fastened, seat backs in the upright position, large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets, window shades open and your tray table stowed. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, vaping, or the use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines. Cabin crew takeoff stations. Cabin crew prepare for takeoff.